Hello everybody, Lady B here. It is actually 7:22 in the morning. I have yet to go to bed. I've got my days and nights mixed up. But anyhow, what I am doing today, and no, this is not for breakfast, but I have got butter in here. It's melted and I better take it off before it scalds or burns. I am going to make a chicken cordon bleu casserole. I got this from Laura in the Kitchen on YouTube. And if you're not familiar with her, go over and check it out. She cooks absolutely amazing. But anyhow, what I'm going to do is, this is 3 cups of pre-cooked chicken. Plop. I'm going to spread that around. And honestly, it looks like it could probably use some more, which I have got some more over here. So I think I will add some more. This casserole dish is kind of big. Whoops. Yeah, I've got my days and nights mixed up. Somebody gave me some not sleeping pills, but I think they're Unisoms and some melatonin. But anyhow, it worked for a couple of nights. Next night after that, it did not work. So I guess I'm going to have to rely on myself to straighten it up. Pick up my trash here. On top of that, this is 3 cups, or actually probably 4 cups now, of pre-cooked chicken. This is 1 cup of ham, and I've got honey ham. Probably wouldn't hurt for me to get some more on there too, because I'll put more chicken. So before I put this in the oven, I will add some more, but I won't bore you by watching me chop some. So in here I have excuse me, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and to that I am going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. I'll cook that like a roux. Doesn't seem like a whole lot. And I'm hoping, because I added the extra chicken, I'm thinking maybe I might have to make some more sauce. But we'll see in a little bit when I get it started. Anyhow, I'm going to turn my heat up just a wee bit. Put it down here so you can see it. I need to clean my stove. All my cleaning stuffs are still upstairs. Okay, to this I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 cup of milk. This is whole milk. Okay, the directions say to stir it constantly for 4 to 6 minutes. So I won't let you, or make you, stick around and watch me do this. But we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, everybody, I am ready to give this a taste test. I'm going to eat it plain like that. Like I said, they suggested you eat it with egg noodles, but I am going to try it this way. See how hot it is? Can you see the steam coming off of it? Oops. It is good. It's not as good as a chicken Cordon Bleu, you know, the chicken breast with everything in it. And I've never made it from fresh. I buy mine from Sam's. It comes in a box of 6. It's usually about $12, $13. Yes, it's expensive, but I usually buy it when it's on sale. I'm gonna tell y'all really missed it. I was trying to clean up for all my mess, and I still haven't gone to bed, and it is now 2 minutes till noon. But I tried to put the chicken stock that I had left in a jar so I could put it in the refrigerator. I dropped it and spilled it everywhere. I mean, I didn't drop it like on the floor, but it just turned over right here. But what a mess. But anyhow, I'm going to get off here. Y'all go over to Laura in the Kitchen's channel, and she's got all kinds of recipes. But I will post a link to this recipe in the description. And I'll also list the ingredients and directions and stuff for this recipe. But y'all give it a try. And we'll talk to y'all later. Stay safe. And please be very careful out there. You never know what's going on out in the world anymore. So y'all take care. Stay safe. And we'll see you next video. Bye.